Hello everyone, it's great to see you all again on the channel today. Oh my gosh. This car clearly wasn't focused on driving, and as a result, the speed got out of control. He crashed straight into the car in front. Paying attention to your surroundings is extremely important. The car lost control. It's hard to believe seeing a large truck lose a wheel and still keep moving on the road. Hopefully, the driver will realize soon and stop to avoid causing an unfortunate accident.
But it is crazy. Like, he had one hand on the... What the fuck? Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Oh my god, what did she do? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe. Reverse into you?
Yeah. Oh my god.
She must have thought she was participating in some kind of stunt driving show, but unfortunately, all she left behind was a chaotic traffic collision.
Oh, Alicia, you know, after that turn? Oh my
Babe,
god.
it's okay. Just
Hold on, okay? Fuck. Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait.
The car inadvertently changed lanes without paying attention, leading to an unfortunate collision. Thank you for giving way. The scene of desperately trying to make it through the last seconds of the green light, only to collide between two cars, is truly shocking. The green light wasn't for him. This red car lost its brakes in an emergency situation.
holy fuck! Holy
What an unbelievable situation. Something flew into his car, causing it to lose control. But luckily, no accident occurred.
Oh my God.
This girl forgot to engage the handbrake before getting out of the car. The truck is too tall, so it can't pass through. He tried to overtake as if it were a race, but the result was nothing but a failure. flashing the headlights repeatedly to request to overtake.
At the end of the day, there's no legit schedule. So how are we working that out?
My truck just tipped.
Southwest Street.
Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. I hope the scenarios in this video not only provide a realistic view of traffic accidents, but also offer valuable lessons for all of us when driving on the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming exciting videos. And don't forget to check out our other videos. There's so much to explore. Thank you and see you in the next video.